She admitted violating probation, but instead of sending her straight to jail, the judge asked one unexpected question that completely changed the direction of the hearing. Stay until the end to see the surprising deal that could let her avoid prison altogether.
Court is calling 2022 CR 3924 State versus why is this listed as Alicia Lindsay?
She has an AKA, is my understanding.
So what is her true name?
Tenorio, Your Honor.
All right. So the court is calling 2022 CR 3924 State versus Alicia Ashante Tenorio, aka Alicia Ashante Lindsay. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Brent La Paz for Ms. Tenorio.
And are you Ms. Tenorio?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same person who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3924 for the offense of criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000 on August 30th, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 5th day of April 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Alicia Ashante Lindsay, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2? Just one moment. The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, continue, alter, and amend for a 1-year extension to allow the payment of restitution and continuance with UAs.
All right. Is that the agreement?
That is, Your Honor.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you're going to be drug tested today. You're getting drug tested today.
Okay.
All right. What are you going to be positive for? And what else?
That's it.
All right. Miss Abrams, when's the last time she had a TAP evaluation?
I can tell you, Judge, that she's tested consistently negative, and then there was a positive back in 2024. There was a positive in February of 2026, and then there was the failure to submit, and then the one after that was negative. So she's only had, well, not only, but she's had 2 positive for marijuana only. There's not been any other substances.
All right. How much is she on restitution?
$4,036.34.
When are you going to be able to pay that?
If given the extension, I can pay it before then.
No. When will you be able to pay $4,000? And I'm sorry, how much?
$36.34.
The person has been waiting for that to be paid since 2022. So you want to discuss with your attorney when you'll be able to pay that? Because I can tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to accept your plea of truth, not going to make a ruling on it, and you're going to pay that $4,000. So when is that going to be paid?
So that's what we discussed, Your Honor. She does have family here.
All right, discuss it with the family and see if you all can pool some money together to pay this $4,000. If that money is paid, then the court will consider terminating your probation. You'll be done.
That's what
Now, that restitution is due to Bexar County risk management.
All right.
So, Your Honor, that the understanding with a payment plan is to pay this off in 10 months, which would be before the 60 days before the extension would be.
Tell you what, pay $2,500 towards that. Come in with a negative UA, and I'll terminate your probation unsatisfactorily. So you may want to talk to your family and see when you can come up with that $2,000, but it's not going to be a year or 10 months.
Yes, Your Honor.
So y'all want to discuss
Yes.
that and come back to me with a date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Robert Rodriguez on page 4. On page 5.
Hello.
Hello, Judge.
Hi, Hunter. It's always great seeing you.
Likewise, Judge.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
I believe discovery is complete at this point, Judge. This is the first appearance, I believe, on this case. We have contact with our complainant. Our complainant is currently in recovery from a leg injury. So, defense and I talked about the case, and we're following up with the family to inform them of the offer that I have in mind prior to extending it to comply with the code, Judge.
All right.
And the lady is 88, complainant's 88 years old.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 45 days.
Great.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for addressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Judge.
And if there is some type of restitution, he needs to come in with funds.
There is no restitution.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You say September 8th? Is that what I heard?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, who's next? Charles Bach?
I will be.
Who do you have?
I have Mr. Kamar Simpson first.
All right, let me find what page you. Yes. Kamar, court starts at 9 a.m.
Hold on.
You understand? Do not be late again. If you're late again, what's going to end up happening is a warrant is going to be issued, and you may not be on time for court. It depends on when they bring you over from the jail. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I came in at 7:05, and then I asked somebody downstairs, and I think they pointed me downstairs, and then some right officer was upstairs. But
Yeah. Well, now you know where it is. There are no further excuses. Okay. All right. Where are we on discovery?
We're getting there. I'm relatively new with Mr. Simpson.
Mhm.
He has a case that was just indicted within the last month, so I'm getting the discovery on that. So he and I have been conferring with the state as well, so we can.
And that's the
Proceed.
marijuana, correct?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And then he has a motion to
A
revoke.
motion to revoke, right?
All right, Norma, set this for a contested MTR in 30 days.
Okay.
August 20th.
Sure.
All right, August 20th. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
What do you think? Was the judge being fair by giving her another chance, or should probation have been revoked immediately? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, judge decisions, and legal cases explained, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next courtroom drama.